How to change location on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Here, go to Account. Then, go to Account Information. Here, you can edit your account information such as your number, email, and account region. Then tap on Account Region. If you want to change your country or region, you can change it from here. Now select the region you want from the list. Following these steps, you can easily change location on TikTok.